गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम एक वीडियो बना रहे हैं। तो कई सारे बच्चों का रिव्यू आता है, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी थैंक्स टू द ऑल द क्वालिफाइड स्टूडेंट्स। तो कहीं ना कहीं हमने आज तक की मोर देन द 200 candidate has been qualified UGC NET JRF in a different streams. So I just want to be thanks to all of you have given me so many wonderful remarks. So I just want to be thank you to the individuals who have given us so many remarks which is actually very close to the my heart. तो कई सारे रिमार्क्स हम लोग फेसबुक पे और व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू और सुलेखा एंड द गूगल्स के थ्रू गूगल रिव्यूज़ पे हमने कई सारे रिमार्क्स आप लोगों के मिलते रहते हैं। तो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी शेयर वेरी फ्यू रिमार्क्स, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगता है बीइंग इन टीचर। उससे ज़्यादा खुशी कभी नहीं होता जब उसका स्टूडेंट, पढ़ाया हुआ स्टूडेंट, इफ दे आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल इन द लाइफ, दे गॉट सम सेटलमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ एकेडमिक्स में कोई सेटलमेंट हो गया, किसी का बैंकिंग में सेटलमेंट हो गया, वट एवर एक्चुअली यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर करियर। तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक कुछ अचीव करते हैं और एंड तो आप उन अचीवमेंट को आप अपने टीचर के साथ शेयर करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं इट्स वेरी गुड फीलिंग फॉर मी। तो इन अ सेम मैनर, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी शेयर सम रिव्यूज विच इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट। तो आप पता ही हम लोगों की वी आर द स्टार्टिंग द प्रोफेसर्स एकेडमी इन लखनऊ। तो classes, तो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग सिंस लास्ट 8-9 years. तो आई हैव अराउंड द मोर देन 10 year experience in teaching and research in the industry. सो we have produced more than 200-300 candidates. हमने लास्ट 2019 में UGC NET JRF में कॉमर्स और इकोनॉमिक्स में ज्वाइंट टॉपर प्रोड्यूस किया था इन अक्रॉस द इंडिया। तो कहीं ना कहीं तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्रोफेसर्स एकेडमी लखनऊ कैंपस। तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग इसको साथ साथ आगे आगे ना विद इन द 1 year वी जस्ट वांट टू बी एक्सपेंड अवर ब्रांचेस ऑफ प्रोफेसर्स एकेडमी अक्रॉस द यूपी। कम से कम 10-12 ब्रांचेस खोलने का हम लोग का अभी तक का वो है कि 10 का ब्रांचेस एटलीस्ट विल ट्राई टू ओपन द 10 ब्रांचेस इन अक्रॉस द यूपी for UGC NET in management, commerce and economics, and will diversify our field in a nearby future also. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम कुछ रिमार्क्स से शेयर कर रहे हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के, जिन्होंने दिया है सुलेखा और किसी अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म से। तो फर्स्टली थैंक यू प्रियंका अग्रवाल। तो अनुभव सर इज अ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी टीचर आई हैव फेस इन माई लाइफ। You hold very good command over on subjective knowledge and have also very good life experience which help to student. He is the perfect person for UGC NET in commerce and management. I strongly recommend to him. तो प्रियंका को मैंने UGC NET कॉमर्स के लिए पढ़ाया था एंड आफ्टर दैट शी हैज़ क्वालिफाइड UGC NET इन मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो। थैंक यू सो मच प्रियंका फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स। सदफ खान एंड he is having the strong knowledge in UGC NET and the perfect person for UGC NET, and I qualified UGC NET in HRM, and I gives all credit to the Anubhav sir, because when I had joined sir classes I had no idea about the UGC NET, but he has trained me in a very short tenure and I have qualified UGC NET GRF in a first attempt. Thank you so much for your guidance. I just want to be share 1 minute story of Sadaf Khan. She has joined the UGC NET classes before the 2 month ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन। तो 2 महीने का टाइम था हमारे पास। तो आई जस्ट ट्रेन टू हायर, हमको उसको पढ़ाना था। तो सी वाज टेंस एक्चुअली, शी हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट द सिलेबस, शी हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट द UGC NET। 2 महीने में पढ़ाया, 2 महीने में पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करा UGC NET सेकंड पेपर का, और इन अ वेरी फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट शी हैड क्वालिफाइड GRF इन UGC NET इन HRM 55 कोड की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं। फाल्गुनी अनुभव सर इज अ गॉड फॉर मी, फॉर द गॉड से कैसे नाम बोलिए। Through his knowledge and experience really turned me out to the crack the examination. Anyone want to be correct net easy, he is the persons to whom to have to be with. Thank you sir for making me realize who I am and what can I do. Falguni, thank you so much for your kind words. So Falguni is doing her research in Lucknow University in the Department of Faculty of Commerce. So she has qualified UGC NET 2-3 times. तो शी इज़ अबाउट टू बी कम्प्लीट देयर PhD ऑल्सो। हम लोग बात करते हैं अंजलि गुप्ता का। ही इज़ द ऑलराउंडर प्रोफेसर एंड होल्ड लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज इन द फील्ड ऑफ UGC NET GRF, and Anubhav sir classes are Brahmas for student qualified UGC NET GRF in commerce under the guidance of Anubhav sir. Thank you so much Anjali. Anamika Singh, one of the greatest faculty have ever had. You hold lot of knowledges in every field, whatever the student asks. He explained everything from history to future prospect of the topic. We are very grateful to the Anubhav sir who have taught me for UGC NET in economics. Thank you so much Anamika. Manpreet Kaur, Anubhav sir is the great mentor in the field of education. His hard work and dedication motivate us to achieve the desired goals. He is a brilliant educator. Thank you so much Manpreet. Anuj Gupta, one of the best person I have ever met in my life, is well versed with the all aspect of the economics. One of the very few faculty in India who can teach UGC net economics like Anubhav sir. I have qualified UGC JRF in economics just because of you. Strongly recommended for the economics. Thank you so much Anuj. हमको पता था in a very first meeting जब आप हमसे मिले थे, you just came down to me for अटेंडिंग माई क्लासेस. तो हमने आपको स्टार्टिंग में 2-3 क्लासेस के बाद बता दिया था कि यू लाइक क्वालिफाइड यूजीसी नेट जी आर एफ ना वेरी फास्ट अटैम्प. हमको पता था कहीं ना, क्योंकि आपको मास्टर्स बहुत अच्छे से किया था, यू आर वेरी लेबोरियस पर्सन. तो दीज ऑल थिंग्स, तो कहीं ना कहीं दिस इज द ओनली रीजन यू हैव अचीव दिस पर्टिकुलर माइलस्टोन. Pratancha Singh, Anubhav sir teach me well and helped me a lot in clearing my net GRF. I am thankful to him and appreciate his way making that the concept clear. This comes from the experience that he has given in the net exam. Overall, I am satisfied. Recommend others to the prepare under his guidance. Okay, and the Neha Srivastav, teachers have great knowledge and provide a lots of support to everyone. I was just talking about Pratancha Singh. So she has qualified UGC NET 2 times, and then she has qualified UGC NET, UGC GRF in a commerce. So she is also doing the PhD from Amity University Noida campus. Marisa Kakkar, Anubhav sir is most profound teacher. His teaching is his idiosyncratic style, and anything can be made easy under his guidance. 100% result assurance will be the obtained. She is also doing PhD from Rajasthan. She has qualified UGC NET GRF NET 2 times. Kajal Singh, thank you so much, Manisha. Kajal, Anubhav sir is one of the best teacher for UGC NET, and his lectures are very interesting and make everyone eager to listen. Sir, always take real-time examples, so able to understand better. Is an excellent teacher. Thank you so much, Kajal, for your kind word. Kriti Gupta, she is the person who have qualified UGC NET in a very first attempt. Again, she has qualified UGC JRF. So she is a person. She is doing PhD in IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi. So many congratulations, Kriti, for your getting admission in IIT. So it gives me immense pleasure to define such a personality like Anubhav sir. Is the faculty of wisdom who not only has knowledge but disseminates so well. And if the student give his 100%, he could easily crack the examination with the help of his guidance. He makes his student strong from within the terms of the knowledge and personality. Thank you so much, Kriti, and many congratulations for your future. Dheeraj, if you want to be net qualified, all you need to get mentorship of Anubhav sir. Don't waste time, enroll today and become a part of his successful journey. And Akanksha, Anubhav sir, one of the best teacher for UGC NET. His teaching style is best. He has a very deep knowledge that help us to understand this topic very easily. Thank you so much, Akanksha. And while talking about the Anjali, he is the one who helped me to qualify UGC NET GRF in a commerce. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you, Dheeraj, for your kind words. Sika Saxena, one of the best classes in Lucknow. Anubhav sir is superb in having the vast knowledge of the UGC NET syllabus, and he is the one who motivated me to pursue my career in academics. Sweta Singh, his subject knowledge and teaching style is superb and have depth knowledge about the subject. Strongly recommend for the UGC students. Ruchi Yadav, Anubhav sir is the best teacher for the UGC NET. He clears doubt and practically, and his teaching style is superb. So Sikha, Sweta, and Ruchi, thank you so much, all of three. Afra, if you are looking for the best coaching to crack UGC NET exam, here you go. The most experienced, efficient, and the helpful faculty that will be there for you effortlessly. Anubhav sir, who not only guide you, impart his knowledge to you, but also revitalize your personality for becoming the assistant professor. If you are part of this coaching, the dream of becoming assistant professor will be your reality soon. So thank you so much, Afra, for your kind words. Garima, superb and best. Trapti, best coaching for UGC NET JRF. Because teach by the Anubhav sir, he clears all doubt with the practical knowledge. He is the best teacher in the world for NET JRF, specifically like Google. I am very lucky Anubhav sir, because Anubhav sir teach me. I really thankful to the Anubhav sir, my ideal. Thank you so much, Tripti, and thank you and all the best for your future. Ruchi Kumari, learned faculty and the way Anubhav sir teach is super, best place to learn. If you want to be clear, is this in a JRF in a first attempt. So Vivek, when Professor Anubhav Singh is there, you doesn't have to fear. So Vijay, Anubhav sir is one of the best and experienced faculty. He has taught a large number of UGC NET students who have qualified UGC NET JRF examination. I am one of them. I thank him for his teaching and knowledge. So thank you so much, Ruchi, Vivek, and Vijay, for your kind word. Pooja, she has qualified UGC NET JRF in because I still remember the many students. So endless opportunities to learn and grow good faculty with the experience. She has qualified UGC NET in a very first attempt in a commerce. Mithilesh, she has excellent coaching and hopes is the man of the scholarship. He has qualified UGC NET in a commerce and he is also doing their PhD from Gorakhpur University. Hargun Sahani, she has qualified UGC NET JRF in a very first attempt. After that, she has also qualified UGC NET JRF in a management. I think she is doing PhD from Central University of Allahabad. So I have been a part of this coaching and can personally assure that Anubhav sir is the best mentor for UGC NET coaching. He knows all the nitty gritty of this exam, not only helps to clear the exam but also guide to shape one personality. Be a part of the Professors Academy to ensure your success. Thank you so much, Hargun, Mithilesh, and the Pooja. Jagrati, the best coaching for UGC NET examination with a good experience, the helpful faculty, they cover all the syllabus and the each concept cleared. Also good for the paper one. Arjun, Prabha. So these many students, we have a n number of the students who have sent their feedbacks regarding the coachings in classes. Ravikant Maurya, West teaching faculty and the West guidance to correct net and bright future as well as Rashi Gupta, she has qualified UGC NET in a commerce in a 2-3 times. Ravikant also qualified UGC NET in a commerce. So it is a standard coaching with outstanding faculty. Anubhav sir, personally, it was a great experience to be the student of Anubhav sir. I gained tremendous knowledge and he's an inspiration for me, my ideal. So what are you waiting for? Just be the part of this coaching and let your dreams come true of becoming an assistant professor. Pranjal, awesome explanation of by the Anubhav sir. He will clear all the doubt relating to your studies. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite an imagination and instill a love of learning. Thank you so much, Pranjal, Rashi and Ravikant Maurya. So this is all about the my dear student. Because बहुत सारे मेरे पास messages, feedbacks आते रहते हैं, but these all feedbacks is very close to my heart. That is the only reason I am just sharing. So थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो कई इन सब सारे बच्चों को मैंने फ़ोटो लगाया भी है. कुछ बच्चों का पूजा, नम्रता, अतुल, इन लोगों का मेरे पास आया था. आई बट ड्यू टू सम शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम आई कुडंट शेयर दोज रिव्यूज़. पूजा, नम्रता, अतुल, एकता अग्रवाल, कृति गुप्ता, सुनीता राणा, राशि गुप्ता, पूर्व यादव, फाल्गुनी, पूजा शुक्ला. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे बच्चे नेट क्वालिफाइड कर ही रहे हैं सिंस लास्ट 7-8 ईयर्स. So thank you so much for joining, and if you're liking my videos, if you're looking for preparations for UGC NET management in commerce and economics, so you can subscribe my channels. And also I also run some paid classes for all these 3-4 streams. So thank you so much for joining, and keep watching.